Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn best project management tools for the startups. First one is that is Trello. Have a look. So if I go to this one and put Trello, here you can see that the Trello is look like this. Okay, so here we have the boards. You can move, drag and drop which task in the to do, and everything will become over here. Okay, so why simple visual Kanban boards, great for the small teams and the quick setup, best for the task tracking, sprint planning, basic project management. Pros: intuitive UI, free tier, lots of integration like Slack, Google Drive. Cons: limited reporting and advanced features in a free plan. Okay, next we have Asana. Asana is also used for the project management. Here you can see that there's another one that is, this is not Asana, this is called asana.com. Okay, so here we have the Asana like this. Okay, so here you can see that the visual and so here you can also track the products, track the, like, we can say track how much work has been done, progress, like tickets which are resolved. Okay, why flexible project views like list board timeline with the solid task management, best for the startups needing more structure and collaboration than the Trello. Pros: task dependencies, subtasks, good automation and the integration. Cons: can get pricey as the team grows, some learning curve. ClickUp. So why all-in-one tool combining docs, tasks, goals, and the chat. Best for the startups wanting a single tool for everything project related. Pros: highly customizable, affordable paid plans, powerful features. Cons: interface can feel overwhelming initially. Monday.com. Why visual flexible workflows with user-friendly interface. Best for the startups needing workflow automation, visual project tracking. Pros: easy to customize, strong reporting and automation. Cons: can become expensive. Some features are locked behind higher tiers. Okay. Notion. Why combines project management with documentation, knowledge base, and the notes. Best for startups wanting flexible workspace to combine tasks and the docs. Pros: highly customizable, good for remote teams. Cons: no built-in Gantt charts, advanced task tracking, but workaround exists. Jira, one of the most popular which I'm using. Why? Industry standards for the software startups with agile development, best for tech startups focused on the software development and the issue tracking. Pros: agile board, sprint planning, detailed reporting. Cons: can be complex and overskill non-tech teams. Okay. Next we have the Basecamp. Basically I have already used that one. Why? Simple project collaboration with the message boards, to-dos and the file sharing. Best for the starters valuing straightforward communication alongside the task management. Pros: flat pricing for the unlimited users, simple interface. Cons: limited advanced project tracking features. Bonus: Slack with project management integrations, not a PM tool itself, but its integration with like Asana, Trello, ClickUp. It's invaluable for the communication and the alerts. Quick recommendation: if you want a simple and the visual, Trello and the Notion. If you want powerful and all-in-one, ClickUp or Monday.com. If you are a software startup, then go with the Jira. And if you want a communication, basic PM, Basecamp, and the Slack would be the best. Okay, so this is the one of the, like, I have click out everything. So this is the one of the best project management tools for the startups. Anything I missed which I have used, I think that's a red mine I'm using for that one, for adding their tickets over there, making it progress, adding the spend time. So here also you can use that one. So these are all the tools. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.